hand in, submit something. Example, he handed in his assignment on time. Screw up, make a mistake. Example, I screwed up the recipe. Stay up, stay awake late. Example, I stayed up all night studying. Calm down, relax after being angry or upset. Example, calm down, it's just a small problem. Watch out, be careful. Example, watch out, there's water on the floor. Hand out, distribute something. Example, she is handing out the test papers. Drop off, take someone, something to a place. Example, he dropped his son off at school. Think over, consider carefully. Example, I need time to think it over. Hand in, submit something. Example, she handed in her resignation. Talk over, discuss something. Example, let's talk over the plan before we start. Stay in, stay at home. Example, I prefer to stay in on weekends. Pick up, collect someone, something. Example, I need to pick up some milk. Stand up for, defend someone, something. Example, he always stands up for his friends.
Kick out, to force someone to leave a place. Example, Tom was kicked out of class for being too noisy. Butt in, to interrupt a conversation. Example, I was talking to Sarah, but John butted in and changed the topic. Drag down, to make someone feel bad or lower their status. Example, negative people drag you down, so stay away from them. Get away with, to escape punishment. Example, she lied to the teacher and got away with it. Bite back, to respond aggressively or defensively. Example, I criticized her, but she bit back with a sarcastic remark. Bail on, to cancel plans or leave someone suddenly. Example, we planned a movie night, but Jake bailed on us. Give in, to stop resisting and accept. Example, after hours of arguing, I gave in and agreed with her. fall out with. To have an argument and stop being friends. Example: Emma and Lisa fell out over a small misunderstanding. Blackout. To lose consciousness. Example: He blacked out after running in the heat. Boss around. To tell others what to do in an annoying way. Example: My little brother loves bossing me around like he's in charge.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.